Think you're making a healthy choice with that flavored yogurt? Think again. Some of these healthy foods have more sugar than candy bars. Today, we're uncovering the hidden sugars in everyday foods and why it matters for your health. Welcome back to Health Dose. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugars to no more than 25 grams per day for women and 36 grams for men. Yet the average American consumes over 90 grams daily, nearly 4 times the recommended amount. Excess sugar intake is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and dental problems. But the tricky part? Much of that sugar is hidden in foods marketed as healthy. Let's dive into the top 5 offenders and the science behind why you should care. Number 1. Flavored yogurt. While plain yogurt is a good source of probiotics and protein, flavored varieties often contain up to 13 grams of sugar per 6-ounce serving, roughly equal to a small candy bar. That sugar mostly comes from added sweeteners like cane sugar or fruit concentrates. According to a 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, people underestimate sugar content in flavored yogurts, which can lead to unintentional excess sugar intake. Choosing plain yogurt and adding fresh fruit is a healthier alternative. Number 2. Granola bars. Popular as a convenient snack, many granola bars contain 8 to 12 grams of added sugar per bar. These sugars often come from syrups and honey, combined with refined grains that cause rapid blood sugar spikes. The glycemic index of many granola bars is surprisingly high, which can contribute to insulin resistance over time, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. The CDC reports that regular consumption of high glycemic foods increases chronic disease risk. Number 3. Store-bought smoothies. Bottled smoothies labeled all-natural can contain 30 to 40 grams of sugar per 12 to 16-ounce serving. Although the sugar is mostly from fruit, the concentration and lack of fiber cause blood sugar to spike rapidly. Research from the American Diabetes Association shows that consuming liquid sugars leads to quicker glucose absorption than whole fruits, increasing the risk of metabolic syndrome. Number 4. Whole wheat bread. Not all whole wheat breads are created equal. Some commercial brands add 2 to 4 grams of sugar per slice to improve flavor and shelf life. This hidden sugar can add up quickly if you eat multiple slices daily. The Harvard School of Public Health advises checking labels because whole grain does not automatically mean low sugar. Number 5. Salad dressings. Salad dressings, especially honey mustard and some vinaigrettes, can pack 4 to 6 grams of sugar per 2 tablespoons, sometimes more. The problem is, most people use much more than the recommended serving size. Added sugars here often come from corn syrup or honey. A study published in Nutrients 2023 highlights that hidden sugars in condiments significantly contribute to daily sugar consumption. Why it matters? Excess added sugar intake is linked to a range of health issues, including obesity, inflammation, fatty liver disease, and heart problems. The World Health Organization recommends keeping added sugar below 10% of daily calories, about 50 grams for a 2,000-calorie diet, but many exceed this unknowingly. Understanding hidden sugars helps you take control of your diet and reduce your risk. Next time you shop, read nutrition labels carefully, look for added sugars, and choose unsweetened or low-sugar alternatives. Swap flavored yogurt for plain with fresh fruit, choose homemade dressings, and pick snacks with less refined sugar. Which food shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health tips from Health Dose.